have a live look in at the Dakota Magic Casino. The flags are flying. The wind from the northwest is very gusty in the Sisseton Hills area. And our southern counties still on the mild side temperature-wise, but there's some wild temperatures, cold ones heading our way. Let's get right to it. We'll start with a look at that radar. The snow showers from this morning now moving off into the Arrowhead of Minnesota. Clearing skies as you saw earlier on our Devil's Lake tower cam shot there from the Home of Economy location. So sunshine aplenty out to the west, clouds beginning to exit the valley. But there's very cold air up in the Devil's Lake Basin. Combine that gusty wind that we just saw a picture of and the cold air, it feels like it's sub-zero anywhere north and west of Hutch's Black Line there. That's the Arctic stuff. Thief River, you're in that same boat. Holding on to single digit above zero wind chill values right now in Fargo. Your car's thermometer is going to tell you we're in the 20s, but this is eroding quickly. We've seen it fall fairly fast over the last couple of hours from the 30s down into the 20s. So Fergus Falls and our warmer locations to the south and east, this cold air blob is heading your way as well. Here's the current conditions out at Hector. We have 24 winds gusting to 35 miles per hour. And that's causing those flags to flap out there at the Dakota Magic Casino. As mentioned, it feels like 8 here in the FM area. Hour by hour forecast, I've got some black numbers on here that indicate that wind chill as we go through the overnight hours and the evening tonight. They will dip down to sub-zero for many of us in the valley and points north and west. And air temperatures will dip down into the teens by 10 o'clock, and many of us on our way down to single-digit readings for daybreak in the morning with sub-zero wind chills still. But notice the wind arrows disappear. And that's a sign of good things. We're going to see a wind switcheroo from the south as we go into our Saturday. So the morning, cold with pretty nasty wind chills down below zero for many of us, but south winds take hold. In the morning, those temperatures start rising quickly. Then it becomes windy again for your Saturday. But this time it'll be from the south. Air temperatures, watch them out to the west, rise to near 40 degrees in places like Jamestown. Devil's Lake looks to be pretty mild as well. And we'll see a fair amount of clouds move through as that warmer air punches in, and it could bring a trace of snow for some, but it doesn't look like a big event at all. So most of Saturday will bring south winds, some sunshine in the morning, late day clouds, and temperatures that'll be warm or warmer. Temperatures climb out of the single digits in Fargo. Under sunny skies, we will hit the near 30-degree range with south winds gusting over 20 miles per hour for your afternoon here. We'll warm into and be steady at near 30 degrees for the evening tomorrow with those clouds moving in. Your hometown forecast shows the clouds moving in our western counties. Afternoon temperatures at the 3 o'clock hour will be close to 40. Elsewhere, 25 to 30 degrees as a rule on a better day. Now, Wednesday, we're watching for a big change in our weather pattern. That's the day before Christmas Eve. Here's one model, the American model. They don't agree on the exact track of this, so we're not going to get too excited about the location of these bands of snow. Some of us will likely get measurable snow, but we will all get wind and cold. Here is that sub-zero blob that sticks around all the way into your Christmas day, the way things are looking. So, beautiful shot here. Shelley shared from the Jamestown sunset recently. That sky looks to be on fire. Now your forecast. Sunday, we warm up about 10 degrees. It'll still be a little on the breezy side, and we can't rule out some very late mixed precipitation into Monday. Temperatures hold into the 30s to start the week. Tuesday, a little bit of a transition. This system that moves through begins very late Tuesday night, and by Wednesday morning, some of us will have snow to drive through, and we will all have falling temperatures as we go through our first alert weather day on Wednesday. We'll keep you advised as to snowfall amounts and impacts, but right now a little bit of snow, measurable for some, and some nasty cold first Arctic air of the season for all.
Oh no. Well, thanks so much, Hutch.
You bet.